Hey everybody, welcome back to Grilling and Chilling with Al. Man, it's been a while. So today I'm not actually going to show you a cook. I'm going to show you what I do after the cook. I wanted to do a video. I had a request from a sub. You'll know who it is. His name is Beto. And he was asking me what I do to clean my griddle. Now, I haven't done a deep cleaning clean yet, but I know at some point I'll be due for one. But this is just what I do after each cook, and I'm going to just show you my steps that I do, and we'll go from there. So this should be a short and simple video today, but one that is important if you're a griddle owner, because you want to make sure that your griddle is always clean. Okay, think of it like this: if you're serving a plate of food, you're not going to serve it on a dirty plate. You're going to serve food on a clean plate. So that's what we're going to show you. That's what I'm going to show you today. So stay tuned. The side tables in the griddle, and we'll make this quick and easy for everyone, but there's just a couple of simple steps that I always do because I want to make sure everything is clean on my griddle. So first thing I always do, and I'll show you here in just a few seconds, is that I clean the surface areas. So let me get stuff cleaned up and we'll get started. All right, just use your Clorox wipe, clean up any excess food that has dripped on your surface area. And just do the same underneath, okay? And believe me, you will be very thankful and happy that you did this. And the same goes on any side that you have food on. And then I just come back with the paper towel and dry everything off. Like I said, just use your paper towel. Clean and dry. Next, we'll start with the flat top. Okay, so I've got the griddle on low. Normally, I would clean after I cook the meal, but today I was hungry and I just went in. So try to always clean it after you cook if you can. If not, it's never the end of the world, but it just is time consuming if you don't want to come back. So I got this on low. We're going to let this go for a little bit, and then from there we'll do some scraping, we'll add some water, and we'll do some cleaning, and then we'll season it with some oil. And that's it, folks. That's what I do, but I try to do it as quickly as possible after my cooks. So let's get to cleaning. All right, you can see we have leftover food on the griddle. So what we're going to do is just clean this up, and we're going to start by scraping, just getting surface material moved to the end. God damn it. Okay, we're back. Had to reset my camera into position so it doesn't fall again. I hope you enjoyed that little moment. So clean everything up. Get it in the trap. All right. Like I said, next is we're going to add water. Now we want to get the water to where it's just almost to the bubbling stage. That will help pull up any excess oil that's still left on your griddle. And the reason we don't go the griddle smoking hot is why? Because you'll burn your fingers with the water and the steam. So we're just going to go ahead and apply some water. There's a little bit of crackling, not much. And I just like to use tongs. Here, I'm going to bring this up for you. And again, I'm just going back and forth, pulling, flipping the side of the paper towel. You can see some of the oil with the water. Just back and forth. But remember to get any excess water, standing water, off your flat top as quickly as possible. Water and flat top grills do not like each other. They rust. All right, well, let's keep doing this for a little bit and we'll be right back. Let's do one more cleaning with water. This is why I use the tongs, because of that right there. And I just continue to go back and forth till I've got every area of this flat top covered. Like I said, the steam of the water will help sanitize the surface and pull up any residual grease from your last cook. That looks pretty good to me. So now we'll start with the oil. Turn your burners off. Let's throw on some oil. Again, you're going to go through paper towels, folks. That's just nature of the beast. I don't like to wash a lot of rags, so I just use paper towels. Add yourself a nice little layer of oil. Some people do a little more, some do a little less. Do what you want. And then back and forth just to make sure the whole entire surface is clean and oiled thoroughly with a nice coat. Don't forget to do your sides, the insides of your griddle, and the outsides. Sometimes I just put a little more oil on the paper towel, and that helps keeps it seasoned too. Oops, sorry about that. And folks, that's it. There you go. Cleaned, seasoned, and ready for the next cook. And surface areas have all been sanitized. Hey everyone, that's what I do to clean my griddle, okay? I take the extra time to clean the surface on the cutting or the side shelves, and make sure you take your time cleaning your griddle because it's important to make sure everything is sanitized. One other thing I forgot to mention is on these black stones, the traps in the back, don't make the mistake that I did when I first got it and didn't put my cover over my black stone because my beagle got into the grease trap. That is something to think about. But other than that, that's it. Okay, simple, easy, few steps, and your griddle will always stay ready to go. And then at some point, I'm going to have to reseason it, but I know I'm not there yet. So thanks again for watching Grilling and Chilling with Al. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment down below. And I'll catch you again on the next one. Later.